Hello staff, Ms. Floodis here, and I'm going to show you a quick tech tip. The tech tip is actually this screen recorder I'm using on here. I'm using screencast-o-matic.com. It is free for the basic features. Now if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade for the price of $1.65 a month, billed yearly. $4 a month, billed yearly, and here are some other options that you get if you upgrade. I like Screencast-O-Matic because it allows you to pause your video. You can film one part, and then you can even edit if you didn't like a certain part of your video. You can go back and re-record that part, or you can just pause it, record one part, and then continue recording the other part of the video. You can record your screen. If you would not like to be featured, you can just record your screen. You can use a webcam to record yourself, or you can do both. You can record your screen and you can also record yourself using the webcam. It gives you 15 minutes to record. You are able to upload this video to your computer, and it also gives you the option to put it onto your Screencast-O-Matic account, or it is linked to YouTube. You can use your YouTube account to upload your video, which I like that. I thought that was pretty cool, instead of you saving the file and then going to YouTube and recording and uploading the video onto YouTube. It does have some editing features on the basic. You can add some background music. And like I said, you can also edit your video by stopping the recording and re-record a part in your video. To record a video, you just simply hit a red button on the lower bottom of your screen, and it gives you a very visible countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. Like I said, you can pause whenever you like, and then you can record one part, then you can record the next part, and if you don't like a part, you can edit. To sign up, you can use your Google account, or you can use another email. There is another option that you have, which I thought was cool, but there is a price for it. You have to upgrade, and that is the closed caption. You can do closed caption in English and Spanish or any language that you would like. So I thought that was really cool, but that is not a free feature. If you would like to learn more, there are some videos and trainings for you. If you like to learn about how to edit video, and it even gives you some tips on creating a script for your recording, which I highly recommend because it took me like 25 times to record this video. And then I finally wrote a script for this video. How you can use this video? You can use this video to show students and parents how to do something on Google, Seesaw, or any tool that you would like to show your parents how to use. You can also use this for students to show them, model for them, maybe an assignment you want them to do on Google Classroom or Seesaw. You can model for them how you want the assignment done or what's your expectation. So I like Screencast-O-Matic because it's just very simple to use and it's not that hard. So let me show you how you can do this. To make your screen wide when you're recording. And then you can just click on items as you're showing students. And as you can see, there's a little yellow circle. And students and parents are able to see what you're clicking on. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm going to give you another quick tech tip. But if you would like to force a copy, so when someone opens your document and you want them to automatically copy the document so they won't add some item onto your document, you can go onto this bar up here onto your little link, erase up to edit, and do copy. And this will force a copy. So whenever anyone opens your document, they have to make a copy of the document. I don't know if you knew that. You can also edit. Instead of it saying edit at the end, oops, misspelled that. You can do view. So now whoever has this link can only view the document. So let me know if you have any questions on how to use Screencast-O-Matic or however I can assist you on any tech item. I can do videos like this for you, or I can do a Google Hangout. Let me know how I can support you. And if you have, like I said, if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me. I'm here for you. Bye, everybody.